Chapter 1: Understanding Mental Health Basics. How many times have you asked someone, "How are you?" only to hear, "I'm fine," yet felt something wasn't quite right? In today's fast paced world, mental health often seems like something distant, an issue faced by strangers, celebrities, or tragedies we hear about on the evening news. But the truth is, mental health touches all of us, quietly and often without warning. It's in the coworker who suddenly withdraws, the friend who always seems fine, and the loved one silently battling a storm we can't see. I remember a time, not too long ago, when a close friend, someone I always thought of as the most upbeat person I knew, suddenly became withdrawn. He'd brush off my concerns with a quick, "just tired," and it wasn't until he finally confided in me months later that I understood the silent battle he'd been fighting with anxiety. It was a stark reminder that the smiles we see often mask unseen struggles. Imagine feeling trapped in your own mind, smiling on the outside while silently drowning inside. This is the reality for many, and yet we often don't notice the signs until something tragic happens. But mental health doesn't wait for an invitation to show up. It's already here, quietly affecting the people we love most. By understanding mental health basics, we can take the first step toward building a more compassionate, aware, and resilient community, starting with ourselves. Defining mental health and well-being. When you hear the phrase mental health, what comes to mind? Maybe you picture severe disorders or hospital stays. You're not alone, but that's a common misconception. Mental health isn't just the absence of illness. It's the foundation of how we think, feel, connect, and thrive. The World Health Organization defines mental health as a state of well-being where individuals recognize their abilities, manage life's stresses, work productively, and contribute meaningfully to their communities. World Health Organization, 2022. True mental health involves emotional regulation, psychological resilience, and strong connections. It's shaped by a dynamic mix of genetics, environment, and personal experience, and it changes over time. The myths and realities of mental health. Mental health struggles are not always as obvious as we might think. Many people battling depression, anxiety, or trauma appear outwardly fine. A 2023 study highlighted this phenomenon, revealing that many sufferers are underdiagnosed because their struggles are hidden behind everyday smiles. Smith et al., Journal of Affective Disorders, 2023. This underscores why it's so important to understand that mental health is not always visible. One common myth is that struggling with mental health is a sign of weakness. In reality, about 1 in 4 adults will experience a mental health disorder at some point in their lives. This proves that these struggles are far more common than we realize and don't reflect personal weakness. Another misconception is that mental health is static, that once you achieve it, you're set for life. But in truth, mental health fluctuates naturally over time, influenced by relationships, work, physical health, and everyday stresses. It's a journey, not a destination. Recognizing these truths is the first step toward building a compassionate society, one where mental health isn't seen as someone else's problem, but as a shared human experience.